Welcome back to Vital Longevity. What if I told you that you could transform your life and unlock almost limitless potential, all in just 15 minutes a day? Sounds impossible? In today's video, we'll explore a scientifically proven morning routine that is built for maximum productivity, efficiency, and well-being. Imagine a morning routine so powerful, it transforms your day from the very first moment. After years of research, experimentation, and trial and error, we think we've found it. The ultimate morning routine designed to boost your energy, productivity, and overall health. This routine is backed by science and works like a chain reaction, with each step effortlessly leading to the next. Ready to kickstart your day? It all starts with waking up. But here's the thing, you need to get the first moment right. No snoozing. The moment your alarm goes off, your brain wants to talk you into staying in bed. It's warm, it's cozy, and you think just 5 more minutes won't hurt, right? Wrong! You simply get out of bed. Just get up. You got this. One trick that helps? Use an old school alarm clock. No snooze button, and keep it under your bed or across the room, so you have to get up to turn it off. And that leads us directly into the second domino, a quick burst of high-intensity exercise. I'm talking push-ups, bicycle crunches, planks, anything that gets your heart pumping. According to Dr. Abonsky at the Mayo Clinic, just 4 minutes of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can increase your brain power by up to 5 times. Your oxygen levels skyrocket, your heart gets stronger, and your brain starts producing BDNF, a protein that supports brain health and neuroplasticity. You're wide awake and firing on all cylinders, and it only took 4 minutes. Now that you're warmed up, let's move on to, the cold shower. I know it sounds daunting, but trust me, once you've done the exercise, your body is primed for it. And the best part? You only need 30 seconds. Studies show that just half a minute of cold water can boost your immune system, improve circulation, and even reduce muscle soreness. Plus, that shock to your system releases a surge of endorphins, making you feel amazing. If you're not quite ready to jump straight into a cold shower, no worries. Start with hot water and finish with cold. That 30 seconds is enough to get the benefits. Now that you're awake, energized, and feeling like a superhero, it's time for the most important part of the morning, the focused 5 minutes. This is when you tackle the hardest, most important task of your day. Right now, your brain is at peak performance. Dopamine levels are high, adrenaline is pumping, and your focus is razor sharp. Use this time to work on that project you've been putting off or the thing that requires your full brain power. Just 5 minutes of deep work can lead to huge results. And who knows, you might even end up working longer once you hit your stride. The final step, the optimized reset. Your body and mind have been working hard, so now it's time to recharge. Start with a no or low prep, healthy breakfast. Something simple like baby carrots, cucumbers, quick scrambled eggs, and a handful of nuts. This eliminates the temptation to eat processed foods and keeps your energy levels high. While you're eating, step outside if possible. Get some fresh air, soak up some sunlight, and connect with nature. Studies show that spending time in green spaces, aka grounding, improves cognitive function, reduces stress, and boosts your mood. And don't forget to take a moment to practice gratitude. It's a proven way to increase happiness and improve mental health. You're ready to take on the day? And that's it. In just 15 minutes, you've completed a scientifically backed morning routine that will set you up for success. No phone, no distractions, just pure focus on becoming your best self. Remember, the key is consistency. Each of these steps builds on the last, creating a domino effect that will carry you through the rest of your day. So, are you ready to start your own 15-minute transformation? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a friend who could use a morning boost. See you in the next video.